In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another project in Canva. This simple process will only take a few minutes and is perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their design workflow. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is log into your Canva account. If you haven't already set up an account, just head over to canva.com and follow the instructions to sign up. It's quite simple and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the Canva homepage where you can see all of your projects. Now, let's find the project from which you want to copy a page. Scroll through your dashboard until you locate the desired project and then click on it to open. This will take you directly into the design view of your selected project. Once you're in, navigate to the top right corner and locate the grid view icon. Click on this button to see all the pages in the project displayed in a grid format. This view makes it easier to manage and select multiple pages at once. Now, hover over the page you wish to copy. You'll notice 3 dots appearing, usually at the top right corner of each page thumbnail. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, there will be various options available, including Copy. Go ahead and click Copy. This step essentially saves a temporary copy of the page to your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Next, you'll want to open the project where you plan to paste this page. Navigate back to your dashboard, find your secondary project, and open it. This new project should be the destination for the page you copied earlier. At the desired location within the project, right-click to bring up the context menu. You'll see various options again, but for our purposes, you just need to select Paste. Click on it, and voila! The page you copied earlier is now seamlessly inserted into your new project. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a page from one Canva project to another. This neat little trick can save you a load of time, especially when dealing with recurring elements or designs that you frequently use across multiple projects. Remember, practice makes perfect. Run through these steps a few times, and soon enough, you'll be able to do it all in just a matter of seconds. If you have any more questions or require further assistance, feel free to check out Canva's support resources or other tutorials online. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!